Yeah? Light, camera, actions. All right. We start with the basics. 1, 2, 3. Guys, and do a rock step to the side. 1, 2, 3. Left hand first, and then right. 5, 6, 7. Okay. Toss. 1. Bring this up. Twist your body all around. 1, 2, 3. Cross body leg. Bring your right leg back. 5, 6, 7. Next one is a right pivot turn. Right hand up, left hand under for gentlemen. 1, 2, 3. Cross body lead, pour over first on 5. 5, turn both arms straight. 5, 6, 7. Bring the left arm up and then bend. 1, 2, turn up, around. 1, 2, 3. Cross body lead, inside turn. Just a single one. 5, 6, 7. Rock back. 1, 2, 3. Outside turn. 5, 6, 7. You're back in the normal hand hold positions. Okay? Thank you guys.